Dad, your legacy lives on. You were the epitome of hard work, generosity, and love. In the short time we shared, you won many hearts and made sure I felt happy, loved, and seen. Your sacrifices were endless, like putting my needs above your own, skipping meals so I would have a better tomorrow. You had the superpower to understand me like no one else could. Your presence was my safe space, a place to unwind and be me. I will always remember the internship day. I was stressed about the acceptance letter, colleagues boasting about their parents' connection. But you didn't know anyone. Yet you rushed to the organization, advocating for me like it was your own battle. You put a smile on my face when I needed it most. Life took a harsh turn on 29th November 2025. I woke up to missed calls, wanting to hear your voice, but you were gone. You kept silent till 1st December 2025, when we heard you've joined your maker. Dad, your love stays with me. Amen.